Hey guys, Dave here with OEM Tools to tell you about our new R2 rechargeable speed ratchet. It's great when you're working in areas with limited clearance or other repetitive jobs. It comes with a 3/8 inch drive or a 1/2 inch drive. It also comes with a 120 volt charging stand and an extra battery. Now, let me show you some of the other great features that this tool includes. The motorized ratcheting feature helps prevent fatigue caused by repetitive motion. A blue indicator light shows when the battery is low. Just switch out the extra battery from the 120 volt charging base to keep working. Unlike similar products, when you hit torque, the over torque protection feature shuts off the power and allows you to finish ratcheting manually. The R2 speed ratchet from OEM Tools saves you time and helps you keep working more efficiently. R2, rapid and rechargeable.